Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize FICO updates for lending decisions on Experian. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin authorizing FICO updates for lending decisions on Experian, first, navigate to the Experian website. Once on the home page, locate the login section. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you don't have an account, click on the option to create one. After logging in, find the dashboard where your credit report is displayed. Look for the section labeled FICO Score or Credit Score Updates. Click on that section to access your FICO score details. You may see an option to authorize updates. Select the option to authorize FICO updates for lending decisions. You will likely need to confirm your identity through a security verification process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the identity verification. Once verified, review the terms regarding FICO updates carefully. Agree to the terms to proceed with the authorization. Finalize the process by clicking the Submit or Authorize button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your FICO updates have been authorized. Check your email for any notification regarding the status of your authorization. This concludes the authorization process. For any further questions, consult the help section on the website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.